Welcome to JH. If you want to optimize your monitor for daily tasks and gaming, here is a great baseline. These settings provide a balanced experience, but feel free to adjust them to fit your specific environment. Let's begin with standard use. Set your brightness between 75 and 85. I prefer 75 because it's clear without straining the eyes in normal lighting. For contrast, aim for 50 to 60 to ensure detail in both shadows and highlights. Keep sharpness at 50. Higher values often make the image look overprocessed and artificial. For color temperature, select User Mode so you can customize RGB levels later. Set your gamma to 2.2, which offers the best balance for web browsing, video playback, and editing. Make sure to disable dynamic contrast, as it constantly shifts levels and looks unnatural. Moving to gaming, start by maximizing your refresh rate. Navigate to Windows Display Settings, select Advanced Settings, and under the Refresh Rate section, choose the highest frequency available for smoother motion. Set your response time to the fastest option to minimize blur during intense action. If your screen has an overdrive feature, enable it to reduce ghosting. Increase the black equalizer slightly to improve visibility in dark areas during competitive play. If your hardware supports FreeSync or G-Sync, turn on Adaptive Sync to stop screen tearing. Remember to activate this in both the monitor's menu and your graphics card's control panel. For color accuracy, RGB settings are subjective, so use a calibration tool or adjust by eye. Keep saturation at 50 for a natural look. For long sessions, use low blue light mode to prevent eye fatigue. You can also enable Windows Night Light or use f.lux to warm the display in the evening. This helps significantly when winding down before bed. To recap, use the suggested brightness and gamma for daily work, then maximize your refresh rate, and enable adaptive sync for the best gaming experience.